Can you change music after posting on Instagram? What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, we're going to look at if you are able to change or delete music after posting on Instagram. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you want to head over to your profile section to find your post with the music. So recently I've posted this picture here with a music. So if you want to change the music or delete it, what you typically do is try to edit the post. But if you tap on edit option, you only have an option to edit its caption. You have an option to add the collaborators, add location, and add AI label. Other than that, you have no option to do anything. As you can see, there is no option for music change here, so you're not able to do it. But if you want to post it on a different music, then what you can do is archive this post. You don't have to completely delete it. Archive this and repost it with a different music. And what the other thing that you can do is share this to your story with a different music without having to post again. So just tap on this and then select a different music from your story. And then from here, you can just tap on the music option to delete it or change it, and then post it on a different music. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.